Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh. There's unbegotten Son, Bahashem, the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash Lower Tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders, Wa'akim Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of earthquakes in diverse places as of November the 3rd, 2024, on this Sunday morning. And this is from earthquake.usgs.gov. It says a 4.8 volcano island, Japan region, 2.9 earthquake in Puerto Rico, 4.3 earthquake in Argentina, 2.8 earthquake in Danladia National Park, Alaska, 4.7 earthquake in Volcano, Japan region, 4.9 earthquake in Volcano Island, Japan region, 2.5 earthquake in Palaholaya, Hawaii, 5.0 earthquake in Fuji region, 4.1 earthquake in Adok, Alaska, 5.8 earthquake in Adok, Alaska, 2.8 earthquake in Hawaii, 2.6 earthquake in Hawaii, 2.5 earthquake in Hawaii, 4.8 earthquake in Baluku, Timor-Leste region, 4.9 earthquake in Papua New Guinea, 4.7 earthquake in Japan, the outskirts of Japan, 4.2 earthquake in Myanmar, 4.4 earthquake the outskirts of Russia, 4.3 earthquake in La Serena, Chile, 5.4 earthquake in Barcanoscas of Argentina, 3.7 earthquake in Stella, Missouri, 3.0 earthquake in Stanley, Idaho, 3.7 earthquake in Palhala, Hawaii. So those was the latest earthquakes in diverse places as of November the 3rd, 2024 on Sunday. Bring up that Luke 21 verse 11. This is the book of Luke 21 verse 11. It reads, "And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights, and great signs shall it be from heaven." Right, so increasing fearful sights and great signs shall it be from heaven, right along with the pestilence and famines and the earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this quick sit-down lesson was edifying. As of November the 3rd, 2024, as of earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kakadash, and the Heavenly Father. The true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, and the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash Lower Tongue. I say Barakatham to the elders, Wa'akim Akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.